Okay, so it looks like I've got my old 3, 4, 5 triangle here.
All right.
So that had y greater than 0. The double ampersands mean and. So here I had the equation 3y minus 4x is less than 0. What was our equation that we needed to do for that diagonal line?
5y minus 12x.
5y minus 12x. You got something in your mouth? 5y minus 12x is less than 0. And x is less than, what was our x value less than here?
5, I think.
5. And then I add in the z components by saying absolute value of z is less than 0.2. So what does that do?
So that just makes this z is like this range that's between positive 0.2 and minus 0.2.
Yeah, and you know, when I made those other ones, actually, you know what, they were about okay. They were okay. So when I printed this before, x went from -1 to 9. That was left over from printing the 5, 5, 8 triangle, so I only need to go to -1 to 6 here. Y goes from -1 to 13, just to get everything in.
Yep.
And plot point's 150. So it's running. Now what's this triangle going to look like? Oh, actually, this is a good lesson. Is this right?
I think so, but the scale on each axis is a little off.
Right. You can see, I don't know if it shows up on camera, this goes from 0 to 5 right here, and here the Y scale goes from, this up here is 10.
Mm-hmm.
So when we export this isn't going to quite look like this, and you can see it also looks very thick because the Z is only going from -1 to 1.
So it'll look different when it's exported.
Yeah, and so when I export this, I'll call this triangle 4.stl. And then what we're going to do is we're going to print 4 of these, and we'll make the, we'll do 4 different, we'll be able to make the 2 different kinds of triangles and then put them together. So that's it. So when you want to make a shape that's bounded by lines in a 3D print of that shape, what do you do? Describe to me the process.
Well, you figure out the equations of those lines.
Okay.
And then you put them in. Well, actually, first you figure out if you want your area, is it less than or greater than your line?
Right. You have to be a little careful making sure you find the right up and down or left and right part of that line. And then Mathematica draws it really nicely with this region plot, and it can export as an STL file. And then we can just load it right into the 3D printer. Mm-hmm. Pretty cool, right?
Yep.